This is a motor skills activity in which first one is putting the straws in this hole. So they are the coffee drinking straws basically, and they have to put inside it. So along with putting the straws, they have to open the lid, take the straws out, and then close the lid and start putting the games. So it's a multi-motor skill activity. Other one is the stickers, because they're in love with them. I've kept them along with this. And then they love bindis, so I've given them some bindi of mine just to peel it, put it wherever they want. They not stick very tightly to surfaces, so it's just good exercise for them. Second one is counting. So either honeybees and the other comb. So if it's like one, you have to only one honeybee go to the house. If again there are two, so there will be two honeybees that will go to their house. So like that is 1, 2, and the next day is 3 and 4. So just initial counting for the younger one. The next one is one of the DIYs I did in my initial days when I was planning for Sanvi. So it's just a normal file. This is the shape and color matching. So these are the ones like oval, to match like that. This basic shapes. Inside is living and non-living. So for younger one it's just matching activity and vocabulary building. For the elder one I can explain what is living, what is non-living. And the third one is again matching the shape to the outline. So basically they are main targeted for the younger one, because Sanvi is outgrown these basics now. The next one is shadow matching activity. So 2-3 days back we visited a mall where there was Peppa Pig in a rocket kind of theme, and there was some toys where Peppa Pig was dressed up as astronaut. There was a rocket in which you go inside and sit and click photos. So that's why I thought to bring it up on the tray, because now they relate to rocket, they relate to this radar and all that kind of astronaut, because their Peppa Pig was wearing the astronaut costume. So it's a shadow matching activity. The next one here is the rhyming fun. It's a game from Creative. So I have actually took only 4 to 5 because though my elder one is quite young for this activity. It's 5+ activity, but from few days she's, because we are reading some books which have rhyming words, so she's relating to it, like, Mama, this is rhyming, and just while we are walking she's talking about, Mama, does these two sound rhyme? I think they rhyme like that. So I just thought to introduce this activity to her just for fun, like how does it look at. So like it's a truck and a duck, they're rhyming, so they joined like that. And because my Sanvi knows initial letter sounds, so like that initial introduction of phonetics, like that, if she can match. And for younger one it's more of vocabulary building, like I'll ask her, yeah, can you search where is a duck, can you search where is a truck, and she tries joining, but yes, she's quite young for this one. Next one is again a logical one. It's row and column concept. So my Sanvi is getting the row and column concept slowly, so I tried introducing it today. She did not touch it today, so maybe in few days she'll touch it, and let's see how does she take it. This one is mainly for the younger one again. Introduction to various animals, vocabulary mainly, and matching it to cards. So younger one did it once or twice, and she was happy. So I'm keeping it on the shelf for tomorrow, just to revise again the animals. This one is a pouring and transferring activity. So it's chapti song which I've given them. So because Sia still mouths the things, so I'm not worried if she eats this stuff. So, and secondly, it's good for health also, and I had spare one left was good for both. It was an introduction to a new spice as well as new texture to them, and even if they want to fiddle it with it, I'm okay with it. So what they were supposed to do is take it from here, transfer, and I knew it will go to pouring also. So yes, to pouring, that kind of activity we did. And the last one was very fine motor skills, which was difficult for Sanvi itself. It needs a lot of focus and attention. So Sia only fiddled with it, but Sani was quite happy and she did it with lots of patience. So it's just the packing of a camera I had, and I put 3 toothpicks there, and I have very small beads, very small holes. So what she had to do was put in it, and like different colors you can do. I had different beads, so you can do color sorting, make patterns. So I'm introducing patterns to her nowadays. So we did mix up everything, but it was difficult, and finally they just poked the toothpicks inside and had lots of fun with it. And so that's all about the activities for today.